Hey there, welcome. In just the next few minutes, we're going to set up a super important security feature for your account. And don't worry, it's actually way easier than it sounds, but it makes a huge difference in keeping your information safe.
My goal here is to make this whole process completely painless. Think of me as your guide. We're going to tackle this one step at a time, no stress, no confusion. By the end of this, you'll be all set and good to go. So, what is this MFA thing anyway? Well, it stands for multi-factor authentication. The easiest way to think about it is like this. You're adding a second high-tech lock to your digital front door. Your password is the first lock, and this new step we're adding is the second one, which makes it way harder for anyone else to get in. Okay, before we really dive in, let's just do a quick check to make sure you have everything you need. It's super simple. You just need two things right now: your work computer, which you're probably on right now, and your smartphone. If it's not right next to you, go ahead and grab it.
All right, you ready? Let's get started. This first part is all about getting the right tools in place. We're going to start by getting a special app on your phone.
So pick up your phone and open your App Store. You know, the App Store if you have an iPhone or Google Play if you're on Android. In that search bar at the top, just type in Microsoft Authenticator. Now this part's really important. You'll see a few options, so make sure you find the official one published by Microsoft Corporation. It's totally free, so just go ahead and download that now.
Awesome. Now let's switch gears and hop over to your work computer. Open up a web browser, any of them will do, and type in this address. It's a short one, aka.ms/mfasetup. It'll ask you to sign in with your regular work email and password. After that, you're going to see a screen that says More information required. Don't worry, that's totally normal. It means you're in the right place. Just click Next.
Perfect. So you've got the app on your phone, and you've started the process on your computer. Now for the really cool part. We're going to link them together. This is really the heart of the whole setup.
Okay, back on your computer screen, it should be asking how you want to do this. Just make sure Microsoft Authenticator is selected and then click Next. And boom, your screen should now have a big, square, black and white pattern on it. That's a QR code, and it's basically a unique, secret handshake just for your account.
All right, time to pick up your phone again and open that new Microsoft Authenticator app. Inside the app, look for an option to add an account. You'll want to tap that. Then choose Work or School Account, and finally select Scan QR Code. Your phone's camera will turn on. All you have to do is point it at that square on your computer screen. And just like that, your work account should have popped up right inside the app on your phone. See? Pretty easy, right? The connection is now officially made. We just need to do one last quick test to make sure everything's working perfectly. Back on your computer, go ahead and click the Next button. What that does is it sends a test signal directly to your phone. You should see a notification pop up any second now. Just tap on it and hit the big Approve button. That's you telling the system, yep, it's me and I have this phone. Fantastic! The main part is all done. But hang on, we have one more really crucial step. We need to set up a backup plan. I mean, what happens if you lose your phone or get a new one? We need a way to get you back into your account, no problem. A backup method is exactly what it sounds like. It's a second way to prove it's you if you can't use the app. And trust me on this one, setting this up now is a real lifesaver. You will thank yourself later if you ever need it. So yeah, we highly recommend this.
On your computer, you should see an option to add another method. Go ahead and choose Phone from that list. It'll just ask for your mobile number. Type it in, and you'll get a text message almost instantly with a 6-digit code. Just type that code back into the box on your computer, and you're verified. Simple as that.
And that is it for the setup. Seriously, congratulations. Now, let's just take a quick peek at how logging in is going to work from now on. It's just one extra super quick step. So here's the bottom line. Before, all you needed was your email and password. Now, it's your email, your password, and then a quick tap on Approve on your phone. It's such a tiny step for you, but it's like building a giant brick wall for anyone who's not you. You know, this is a question I get all the time. People ask, what if I'm on a plane or I'm somewhere with absolutely no signal? Am I locked out? And the answer is a big, resounding nope, you can still get in. And here's how. If you just open the Authenticator app on your phone, you'll see a 6-digit code right there under your account name. And what's so cool about this is that it changes every 30 seconds. And it works completely offline. No internet, no cell service, no problem at all. You just type in whatever code is on the screen, and you're in. Okay, now listen up, because this is the single most important rule to remember from all of this. If your phone buzzes with a login request, and you are not the one trying to sign in, that's a huge red flag. It means someone else has your password. You must tap deny.
So let's just recap those 2 golden rules. Number 1, if you get an unexpected login alert, always hit deny and give your IT department a heads up. And number 2, if you ever lose your phone, please contact IT right away so we can help secure your account and get you back up and running.
And there you have it. You did it. You've successfully added a really powerful layer of security to your account. This is a massive step in protecting not just your data, but our whole organization. So thank you so much for taking the time to do this. You are all set.